Everyone, Miss Durbin here. Today we're going to start a brand new major project. We are going to incorporate some things that you did last week into a major project. So you did a practice sketch of your name design, any kind of style that you wanted to do, and then you had an assignment to do elements of art sampler sheet. And I've gotten some wonderful examples of all those elements of art. You guys did a great job with that. Today, we're going to do a project where we incorporate the name design and the elements of art. So, real simple. Try to, do your first name. You can do your last name. Either one is fine. But you're going to need 7 letters. So, if your name is really short, you might have to do your last name. If your name's really long, then you might have to repeat some elements. So I needed 7 letters, so I did my first initial, K, and then Durbin. And I just did some random block letters. You do want letters that have some space, something kind of wide or open so you can draw inside the letter, okay? Really simple, really fun stuff. We're just getting warmed up here with art. You can label each letter the element of art that you're going to fill it in with. So, for example, I'm going to start with K. And remember, line is a mark made on a surface. It can be implied, it can be actual, it can be vertical, it can be made up. You can just go crazy with line work. So in the K, I'm just going to go up here with my little Sharpie pen, and I am just going to start filling it in with all different types of line. I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. I had to go chase my dog so that she did not attack the UPS guy. Okay. So I am going to just start filling up the K with all different types of line. So I like swirls, so I'm just going to kind of keep doing that. I would love to see at least 4 or 5 different types. So you could, section it off however you want. Be creative. You can make up your own lines. It does not have to be anything that we already know about. I love to see everyone's creativity, so feel free to do that. These are called concentric lines. They sort of look like a little rainbow. So once you start filling up your line, then you just move on to the next letter. So for shape, I'm going to do shapes that I kind of already know about, and then I'm gonna make up my own shapes. So, again, be creative, have some fun. So what I'm gonna do is do examples in every single letter, and I am gonna time lapse this so that you don't have to watch me draw for 2 hours, and then you can kind of go through the video and then start your own. These are due Friday by the end of the day, by midnight that night, so you have plenty of time to work it out. If you are comfortable with starting with Sharpie and you don't want to have to go back and outline stuff, that's great too. I do recommend starting your name with a pencil just to work out any kinks and then go from there. Again, if you have questions, if you need to ask me something, feel free to email me, message me on Canvas, all that good stuff. Okay.